Okay, so here's a bit of cinema verite, in the sense that we've got a handheld camera. We've got now a clean bolt, reassembled, the polymer bolt buffer fixed, and what's unusual is this shiny hole right at the other end of the receiver. And what's also unusual is seeing light. Let's see if we can get this going. There we go. Seeing light at the end of the receiver shining through the bolt buffer. We've got a nice clean barrel. We've got the volt quartz and stabilizer fitted. It protects the crown amongst other things. Certainly doesn't need anything to reduce the recoil because there is none. But perhaps it stabilizes the bullet for more accurate results. Who knows? And the next bit, I'm going to be fitting the Tactical Solutions rail, which should fit along the top part of here, and hopefully then that will allow us later to lower the scope. So there we go. I'm running low on battery, so I'm going to stop here, mount the camera, and move on. Get on with the Tactical Innovations rail. Tactical Solutions rail. Okay, so here we are. We've got the Tactical Solutions rail here, and I shall be opening this. See if I can have my... No, I don't have my trusty Swiss Army knife. Let's see if it's... Okay, I need to go to some clever solution. Let's chop this. Okay, so here we are back. This is the newly bored receiver. I fitted the bolt. Polymer bolt stop is in there. This is the Tactical Solutions 15 MOA rail, which we're now going to place here. And what I want to do is I'm going to reuse the EGW Allen key, Allen screws, because to be honest I just like Allen screws better than slotted screws. Slotted are often too easy. These are the ones from Tactical Solutions. You can't really see, but they are slotted. Let's try and put some light on the subject. How about this? Well, anyway, trust me, they are slotted. And these ones are from the EGW. I've cleaned them up, and I'll just offer them up loosely at first. Going nicely in. Back it off a little bit, and the same with this one. You can see I have a lot of Wheeler gunsmithing stuff, and they really do make stuff which I find is good value and works well. So here we go, this is a Wheeler. Back that off a little bit. Putting the middle one in now. Should go in like a dream because we have the thing very precisely positioned now, and not even hand tight. And the last one coming in now into the front of the receiver of the 1022. And that's, I wonder if it's too long. No. Have a quick little look on the other side. No, it's plenty of room there. And the same with this one. So at the moment it's just hand tight. Last one, just hand tight. I mean, you can't use a lot of force anyway because it's aluminium. This one, just hand tight. This one, just hand tight. This one, just hand tight. What might be happening, of course, is that we're crushing the crinkle finish again. This one, about a 16th of a turn, not even that. Not even that. What I could be doing is using my new torque driver. I wish I'd thought of that. So that's all of these fitted, and now we have a 15 MOA rail on the receiver of the 1022. Let's give it a little wipe down. And there we are, ready for our lower rings. So this is a 15 MOA rail ready for our lower rings, which will just be a fraction of a millimetre or about a millimetre above the barrel. So there we go, we've got a receiver with bolt. The screws do not come further than do not come down into the receiver, which is great. Which I'm able to check now. The motion of the bolt is controlled by the charging handle's spring, which forces it to mate very closely with the breech, which is what is needed. Okay, so now I think the next stage could well be putting our auto bolt return auto bolt stop into the BX trigger. So I need to just check how I need to go ahead about that, because I don't remember. Last time I did it was some years ago, and I'll be back.